How to hide your likes on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can hide your likes on Facebook, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to hide your likes on Facebook, such as you want to hide likes on your post, or maybe you don't want to see the likes from other posts, it's very simple to hide them. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Facebook application and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you launch the Facebook app and sign in, tap on the menu icon from the top right hand side. Now keep in mind that if you're on iPhone and if you're using it on iOS, these options could be at the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the menu page, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, expand the menu called Settings and Privacy, and then you want to go to the option called Settings. As you go to the option called Settings, at the very top you'll find the option called Profile Settings, so you want to make sure to simply tap on it. And as you tap on the profile settings option, here you'll be able to see all this type of information, where you basically need to choose the option called reaction preferences under the feed settings. So as you can see, it reads control whether the total number of reactions is visible on Facebook posts. So all you need to do is to just tap on the reaction preferences button. Now first things first, if you want to hide reactions on posts from others, just turn on the false toggle. And if you want to hide the likes and reactions on your own post, just make sure to turn on the second toggle. As you can read there, it says other people won't see the total number of reactions on the post you share to your profile. And that's basically it, and that's how you can hide likes on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.